fast as Ida got powerful, it has been losing power rather rapidly too.
Yeah, now it's farther inland. So like down across southern Louisiana, it can maintain strength because there's a lot of swamp, frankly. There's a lot of water. But now, luckily, it's petered out. So we'll see how it impacts us late in the week. Nothing serious, obviously.
But maybe some rain.
Maybe some rain, right. A hurricane from that position is never going to really threaten Maine, but there could be some heavy rainfall. We'll get to that in a second. We'll start with a front that's coming through right now. It's interesting how the radar had two batches of rain about middle of the day today. It dropped the first one, it just died out. The second one is holding together, but it's not really intensifying. So in through, coming through Sebago Lake area into Hollis now, there's a line of kind of just a quick heavy downpour. There's a few embedded thunder, lightning here, but there's not much, at least not the lightning detection network is picking up on. And same to the north into China and Unity, just a quick downpour here. So those will drive towards the coastline. About sunset, they should get offshore. And after that, we've got a really nice night. Temperatures drop down into the 60s. A couple of 50s by early tomorrow morning. Now, I didn't think the dew points today were really oppressive, but they actually were pretty high. And so they'll come down overnight tonight into tomorrow. It's a much drier air mass tomorrow. Really nice day, upper 70s, low 80s, maybe some mid 80s over southwestern Maine. Through most of the day is sunny, and then overnight it's clear and a bit coolish. We get most of the day in on Wednesday, I think, a mixture of sun and clouds, if not mostly sunny, before clouds start coming in late in the afternoon from southwest to northeast, and that's what's left of Ida. So as we discussed, it was able to hold its strength yesterday afternoon into the early evening over southern Louisiana because it's so warm and it's so wet, it's so swampy there. Now it's in Jackson, Mississippi, and it's a tropical depression. So it will move towards us, no doubt about that. But how much of it hits us, it depends on which model you go with. The GFS is progressive. It swings it to the south very quickly on Thursday with kind of minimal rain. The European model, which is what I'm showing you here, is a little bit farther north and a little slower, and I tend to buy this solution more, so it gives us some rain Thursday afternoon, Thursday night, especially along the coastline, and then tries to back this thing up a little bit here, even on Friday over down East Maine. And so the resulting rainfall there would not be huge, but it'd be pretty high, an inch and a half to up to 2 inches. I wanted to show you what's right offshore here, though, to give you an idea that if there's a little bit farther north track shift here, we could be getting to some very serious rain on Thursday. So we'll keep an eye on that. Right now, I'd put it at the moderate end, but we still have the potential to see heavier rain. Seas around 2 to 3 feet, water temperature 65. I saw Ryan tweet that the buoy hit 70 briefly a couple of days ago. That might be the last of that, depending on how things go here. We'll call it Ida leftovers on Thursday. We should be able to clear out for most of us on Friday. The weekend looks fine, 72 to 78, so that's okay. You can tell my enthusiasm is not super high. It's not that hot, and we're not going to see any heat in the next 10 to 15 days, which puts us almost in mid-September. So.
And you got to ask yourself, were enough people in the water for that hour or so that the buoy hit 70 to really enjoy it?
No.
That was the special moment.
No, just Ryan out there blowing on the sensor. I was the only person out there.
That'll do it.
Yeah.
Thank you, Keith.